If you cannot speak English yet, this video is for you. Not for advanced learners. Not for people who already feel confident. This is for you. The person who has been studying English for months, maybe years, and still feels stuck, still feels nervous, still feels like the words just won't come out when you need them. I see you. And I want you to know something before we go any further. It is not your fault. You are not bad at English. You are not too old. You are not too slow. And you are definitely not hopeless. You have just been practicing the wrong way, and today, I am going to show you the right way. Let me ask you something honestly. When you study English, what do you usually do? You probably watch English videos. Maybe you read English articles. Maybe you do grammar exercises or learn vocabulary lists. Am I right? And all of those things are useful. I am not saying they are bad. But here is the problem. None of them involve your mouth. None of them make you actually speak. And speaking English is a physical skill. Just like riding a bicycle, or playing the piano, or swimming. You cannot learn it by watching someone else do it. You cannot learn it by reading about it. You can only learn it by doing it. Again and again and again. Think about a baby learning to walk. Does the baby read a book about walking? Does the baby study the theory of balance? No. The baby just tries. Falls down. Gets up. Tries again. Falls again. Gets up again. Until one day, they walk. That is exactly how speaking English works. You have to try. You have to fall. You have to get back up. And you have to try again. Every single day. And that is what this video is going to help you do. Every morning. Now let me explain why I want you to watch this video every morning specifically. Not once. Not occasionally. Every single morning. Here is a fact about your brain. Your brain learns through repetition. Not through effort. Through repetition. When you hear and say the same sentence once, your brain barely notices it. When you hear and say it 10 times, your brain starts to remember it. When you hear and say it every day for a week, your brain begins to own it. It becomes part of you. Natural. Automatic. Effortless. This is called language acquisition. It is how children learn their first language. And it is how you are going to learn English speaking. Not through studying. Through repetition. Through daily practice. Through this video. Every morning. Even 10 minutes. Even 15 minutes. Practiced every single morning will do more for your English speaking than 3 hours of studying once a week. Consistency is the secret. Not hard work, not talent, consistency. So here is what I am asking you to do. Set an alarm. Bookmark this video, and every morning before you start your day, press play. Speak with me. And watch what happens to your English over the next 30 days. In a moment, we are going to start your morning practice. But first, let me quickly explain what we are doing and why it works. The technique we use is called shadowing. It is simple. I say a sentence. You repeat it immediately after me, out loud. With your real voice. Every time. When you shadow, 3 things happen at the same time. First, your ears get trained to hear natural English rhythm and pronunciation. Second, your mouth gets trained to produce English sounds correctly. Third, your brain starts storing these sentence patterns automatically so that when you need them in a real conversation, they are already there, ready to use. Without thinking, this is the fastest path from struggling learner to confident speaker. Not grammar books, not vocabulary apps, shadowing. every morning, with your real voice. So I need you to make me one promise right now. Promise me you will not just listen. Promise me you will actually speak. Out loud. Even if it feels strange. Even if nobody is around. Speak anyway. Can you do that? Good. Let's begin your morning practice. Morning practice part 1. Your morning mindset sentences 1 to 10. Every morning starts in your mind. Before you speak to anyone else, before you check your phone, before the day pulls you in 100 different directions, I want you to speak these sentences. Out loud. With confidence. These are your morning affirmations in English. Listen and repeat after me. Today is a new day and a new chance to grow. Say it like you mean it. Today is a new day and a new chance to grow. I am going to speak English today, and I am not afraid. Not afraid. Say that again. I am not afraid. My English is getting better every single day. Every single day. Including today. Including right now. I am not perfect, and that is completely fine. Perfection is not the goal. Progress is the goal. I choose to practice today even if it feels difficult. Especially when it feels difficult. That is when it counts the most. Every time I speak English, I get a little more confident. A little more. Every single time. I am patient with myself, because learning takes time. Be patient. Give yourself time. You deserve that. I believe in myself and in my ability to learn English. Believe it. Really believe it. Say it one more time. I believe in myself. I am not comparing myself to anyone else. I am only growing. Only growing. That is all that matters. This morning practice is making me a better English speaker. It really is. Every single morning. A little better. Beautiful. 10 sentences to start your morning. Your mind is ready. Now let's wake up your voice. Morning practice part 2, talking about your day sentences 11 to 20. Now let's practice some sentences about your daily life. These are real sentences. The kind of sentences you will actually use. In conversations. In messages. In real life. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Good morning, I hope you have a wonderful day. Simple, warm, and completely natural. I woke up this morning feeling ready to practice my English. Because you did. You pressed play. You showed up. Today I am going to speak more English than I did yesterday. More than yesterday. That is the only target that matters. I had a good night's sleep, and I feel ready for the day. Or maybe you didn't sleep well. And that is okay too. You are still here, still practicing. I am going to take things one step at a time today. One step at a time. In English and in life. Can you repeat that, please? I want to make sure I understood correctly. This is one of the most useful sentences in English. Use it whenever you need to. Never be embarrassed to ask someone to repeat. I am still learning, but I am getting better every day. Still learning, and always getting better. Thank you so much, that really means a lot to me. Warm. Genuine. Natural. A sentence you will use all the time. I am working hard on my English and I can already feel the difference. Can you feel it? Even a little? That feeling is real. That is progress. Every morning I practice and every morning I improve. Every morning, just like this one. 20 sentences done. And you have not stopped speaking once. That is incredible. Take one breath. And let's keep going. Morning practice part 3, feelings and emotions sentences 21 to 30. One of the hardest things in English is talking about how you feel. Most learners know words like happy or sad. But real English goes much deeper than that. Let's practice some natural emotional sentences together. Listen and repeat. I feel excited about how far my English has come. Excited. Not just happy. Excited. Feel the difference in the word. Sometimes I feel frustrated, but I never give up. Frustrated is a real feeling, and it is okay to name it, but never give up. I feel proud of myself every time I complete a practice session. Feel that pride. You earned it this morning by showing up. I feel nervous speaking English sometimes, but I do it anyway. Courage is not the absence of nervousness. Courage is doing it while you are nervous. I feel more confident in English than I did 6 months ago. Think about that honestly. You are more confident. You know you are. I feel grateful for every small step I take in my English journey. Grateful. What a beautiful word. And what a beautiful attitude. I feel happy when I understand English without translating. That moment when you understand and you don't need to translate. That is one of the best feelings in language learning. I feel motivated when I see how much progress I have made. Look at your progress. Really look at it. You have come so far. I feel calm and focused when I practice my English every morning. Calm and focused. That is exactly what this morning practice gives you. I feel ready to speak English with anyone I meet today. Ready. You are ready. Say it one more time. I feel ready. 30 sentences. You are halfway through your morning practice. And I want you to notice something right now. Is your voice warmer? Are the words coming out more easily than when we started? That is not your imagination. That is your brain waking up in English. That is the morning practice working. Morning practice part 4 real conversation sentences 31 to 40. Now we are going to practice real conversation sentences. These are the kinds of things you say when you meet someone, when you talk at work, when you make a friend, when you need help. These sentences are gold. Learn them. Own them. Use them. Listen and repeat. It's really nice to meet you. I've heard great things about you. Natural. Warm. Completely real. Say it again. I'm sorry, could you speak a little more slowly, please? Never be afraid to ask for this. It is a perfectly polite and normal request. That's a really interesting point. I hadn't thought about it that way. This sentence makes you sound so natural in conversation. Use it whenever someone says something that surprises you. I completely understand what you mean. I feel the same way. Connection. This is how you build connection in English. I'm not sure about that. Could you explain it a little more? It is completely okay to say you are not sure. It shows honesty. Sul, and it keeps the conversation going. I've been working on my English for a while now, and I love it. Love it. Say it with that energy. I love it. What do you enjoy doing in your free time? I'd love to know. Questions are the engine of conversation. When you ask good questions, people love talking to you. I think it's really important to keep practicing even when it's hard. Especially when it is hard. That is when you grow the most. Could you help me with something? I would really appreciate it. Asking for help is a strength, not a weakness. Never forget that. I really enjoyed our conversation. Let's talk again soon. Warm. Friendly. Natural. The perfect way to end a conversation. 40 sentences. 40 real English sentences spoken out loud by you this morning. I am so proud of you. Seriously. Most people never do what you just did. They study, they watch, they listen, but they never actually speak. You spoke. That makes all the difference. 10 more. Let's finish strong. Morning practice part 5, your final power sentences 41 to 50. This is our final set of the morning. I want you to bring everything you have. Speak clearly. Speak confidently. Speak like the English speaker you are becoming. Because you are becoming one. Right now. Sentence by sentence. Morning by morning. Here we go. I am not where I want to be yet, but I am on my way. On your way. That is exactly where you are. And that is a beautiful place to be. I speak English every morning because I am serious about my progress. Serious about your progress. Yes. That is exactly who you are. My accent does not matter. What matters is that I am understood. Let me say that again because I really want you to hear it. Your accent does not matter. What matters is that you communicate. And you do. I am not going to wait until my English is perfect to start speaking. If you wait for perfect, you will wait forever. Start now. Speak now. Just like you are doing right now. Every conversation I have in English makes me stronger. Every single one. Even the awkward ones. Especially the awkward ones. I have come so far and I am going to keep going. Keep going. No matter what. Keep going. I am the kind of person who shows up every day and does the work. That is who you are. You showed up this morning. You did the work. That is you. English is becoming more natural for me with every passing day. More natural. More comfortable. More yours. I wake up every morning and I choose to speak English out loud. You chose it this morning, and tomorrow you will choose it again. I started. I showed up. I spoke. I am proud of who I am becoming. One more time. Slowly. With everything you have. I started. I showed up. I spoke. I am proud of who I am becoming. 50 sentences, 50 English sentences spoken out loud by you this morning before your day even really began. Do you understand what you just did? You just gave your brain and your voice a full English workout. You trained your mouth. You trained your ear. You trained your confidence. All in one morning session. And here is what I want you to remember. This is not a one-time thing. This is your morning routine now. Come back tomorrow. Press play again. Speak again. Because the magic of this practice is not in doing it once. The magic is in doing it every morning. Day after day. Week after week. In 30 days, you will not recognize your own English speaking. Densus. I promise you that. In 60 days, people around you will start to notice the difference. And in 90 days, densus, you will be the person who used to struggle with English. Not the person who still does. But it starts here. It starts with this morning. It starts with the decision you made when you pressed play today. So let me ask you something. Will you come back tomorrow morning? Will you press play again? Will you speak again? I hope the answer is yes. Because I will be here. Every morning. Waiting for you. Ready to practice with you. Ready to help you become the English speaker you are meant to be. This is English with Azzy. I'm Azzy, and I am genuinely proud of you. Not just for finishing this video, but for showing up. For choosing your growth. For speaking out loud when it would have been so much easier to just listen and stay quiet. You didn't stay quiet. You spoke. And that changed everything. Keep listening. Keep speaking. And keep coming back every morning. Because you are closer to fluency than you think. Bye for now. See you tomorrow morning.